Hey guys, Uncle Ray. It's a great day in the market. The market's down pretty hard. Most of the crypto coins have broken through their support. Bitcoin did. Ethereum has. About 95% of the market's down hard. I love days like this. And if you don't, you definitely need to watch to the end of this video. Now, I have a pretty good financial background. I have traded around some of the big institutional hedge fund guys in the past, and I want to share their thought process, and I want to share my strategies and my thinking on days like this. So, if you haven't looked at crypto.com's fundamentals, please check the playlist. I did a video because the reason that's important is anytime I put on these trades, the only reason I feel comfortable is because they have good utility and I think their fundamentals are strong and they're going to be around a long, long time. So the way I view these days is just it's on sale. So add to the position. Now, how would I add to the position? Well, this is what happened today. It's basically fallen all morning and now it's still below 40 cents, and it looks like it may go lower. Now, that being said, I don't want to miss this opportunity. So I want to add to my position. Now, again, not financial advice. This is just a strategy in my thought process. So if you look at what's going on right now, we're getting late in the day and it's just been kind of sideways for hours. Well, it's probably got some support right there. So I think it might be time for anyone to go ahead and add to their position because you don't want to wake up in the morning and the market is all the way back up here or even higher and you didn't get to capitalize on any of the downtime. Now, here's my thought process, and here's how a lot of the whales uh, would add to their position, especially if they're just doing a short term trade. But basically, right now, and just watch the 1 minute bar, you can go ahead and deploy right here, would be my suggestion. Um, and so you want to deploy, say, 50%. Well, if you wake up in the morning and the market's down again, which would be great if it moves against us, you add another 25%. If you get lucky in the next 2 or 3 days and it's down even more or really falls apart, you deploy the last 25%. Now, here's the good news about that you're getting a better and better position, and then I feel comfortable because of the fundamentals that it's going to take out this high of just today in the next couple of days. It should retrace. But let's look at the long term play is I feel comfortable and my belief is that it's going to take out the old high, which is just under $1. And so this is what it did in November. So I feel confident that it's going to rally and blow way through that sometime this year. And so if I'm deploying money and adding to my position down in here, hopefully down in here, this would be even better. Uh, by the time we get back to here, I've already 3x my money, which would be great. But as it sets right now, you're just basically looking at a double, maybe 2% or 2x. By the time it runs through that high, it should be up in here, which that would be great just standalone. But when this market turns around, like Bitcoin and Ethereum starts to run, which I really feel that Bitcoin is going to run to 100 this year, whenever it gets going, and when it does, coins like Crypto.com are definitely going to go with it. And I think that once this market turns around, and everything starts to settle, we get some news from the Fed and we see what the stock market's going to do, and everything just kind of works itself out, uh, that this is just the starting point. Uh, but I would have already built my position down in this area. And so I'm probably will not add. I'll probably drop a little bit and continue to ride some of it, and then look to enter again on any major pullbacks. But if it starts to really run, I'll just hold it because this is definitely one of my long term plays. Now, just a side note, not everyone uh, likes the exchanges, and there might be some horses that you could ride and will run faster. But hear me out, and this is a paraphrased uh, quote from Mr. Wonderful, Kevin O'Leary from the Shark Tank. He loves the exchanges. And why is that? Because we have huge volatility both in bear markets and bull markets. So if the market gets ugly, the volatility goes up. Well, when the volatility goes up, the exchanges make more money. And so that's why he likes the exchanges, and I do too. But crypto.com is absolutely one of my favorite cryptos. I think long term, 5, 10, 20 years from now, it's going to be a world beater. I think that it's already looking to be one of the household name coins, one of the very first outside of Bitcoin. Dogecoin and uh, what Shiba Inu, whatever it is, yeah, it's kind of already getting there. But I'm talking about ones with real utilities. There's not many, if any, outside of Bitcoin that's a household name. But with the marketing crypto.com, they just uh, signed a deal for the Staples Center in LA. They're making a lot of noise. I think it's a great long-term play. So my intent is to buy the dip throughout the years. Anyway, that's just me, guys. Sorry I got a little bit long. Uh, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Smash that notification button so that you'll get a timely uh, a chance to timely watch these videos, because I'm going to do a lot more trading videos, and they're time sensitive. And please smash that like button. It helps us. We're trying to grow this community. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Share with like minded people. And please come back. Take care, guys.